Welcome back, and now news from sports. Five Goan boys will get to experience the quality of coaching from the Barcelona School of Football as they have been selected by the Spanish club's academy in Delhi NCR. FCB Escola has selected Flan, Bevan Montero, Ayan, Shanon and Samward for their remarkable skills and potential in the under-12 category.
These brilliant talents for future Goan and Indian teams will play in the international FCB Escola tournament to be held in Barcelona from March 25th to 28th. The GFDC supports FC Barcelona Escola's initiative in association with Conscient Football.
Es una gran satisfacción para nosotros como entrenadores del Fútbol Club Barcelona compartir este proyecto conjuntamente con Conscient.
Ha sido un placer estar aquí en la India con todos los chicos de aquí. Es siempre una gran ilusión poder venir a países del extranjero y disfrutar de chicos como los que tienen aquí en la India.
5 young lads, under 12, who have been selected by first a selection from our Goan coaches and then endorsed by the two coaches of FCB Escola from Spain, that is Tony and Jordi, and we have selected these 5 who will represent out of the 9 squad of India. So more than 50% of the squad comes from Goa. And prior to going to Barcelona, they have a training camp at the FCB Escola premises in Delhi under the FCB Escola coaches. And then after the training there, they move on to Barcelona for this tournament, which will give them exposure. TFDC and FCB Escola's partner in India, that is Conscient, are sponsoring their trip to Barca and back.
Before leaving for the tournament, these 5 boys will undergo training of 1 week at the FCB Escola in Gurgaon. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Panji.
Salgaonkar Football Club and Salsette Football Club will jointly organize an under-13 football festival on Saturday and Sunday at Fatorda. This event will present a fine opportunity to the youngsters to impress the Salgaonkar scouts.
Salgaonkar FC and Salsette FC, we're very proud that we're going to be organizing this tournament for under 13. It's a football tournament for boys, and it will be held on the 23rd and 24th of February at the ground outside of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Fatorda.
This tournament will serve to bring more youngsters closer to the I-League club.
Currently, we have tie-ups with 2 schools, that is Loyola's and Mai the Pobres. But we are now looking to expand by reaching out to more schools and more youth, and also through tie-ups with persons and institutions who share our commitment and can support us in this endeavor. To put this plan into action, I believe that an important first step has been taken in organizing this under-13 football tournament for boys through our partnership with Salsette Football Club. You can say a club or a nursery that's been known for producing a lot of top-level Goan footballers. And also with the banking consortium, Bank of India, Canara Bank and Syndicate Bank, who are also playing an important role in developing the beautiful game in Goa amongst our youth.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Go or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.